Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a mix and match box to unbox for you. And I am so happy that it's finally getting close to the end of August and all of my boxes have arrived. I have opened my Stitch Fix, my Trunk Club, my Trendsend, Natalie Attired, Nadine West. Is there anything else? So many boxes. Hopefully the mix and match box is the best that came last. Mix and Match Box is a subscription styling service, and they offer two different services. There is one similar to all the other subscription boxes where you fill out a profile and your stylist sends you a box full of options to choose for. You pay for what you keep. Or you can do the Take a Chance box. And this is my second month with the Take a Chance box. And what that is I pay a flat fee of $105. And they put in this box 2 to 4 items which retail at $170 or more. My last month was $182. I was very pleased with everything I received last month. For those of you that remember, I did receive a maxi dress and I was able to exchange it for my perfect size, and I actually wore that 2 days ago. It was awesome. I'm very pleased with all of the clothing and styles I have received from Mix and Match Box. I do have to say that their stylist, or my stylist is Lauren, and she is really good. There is a lot of communication between the two of us. You can email your stylist and let her know what you're looking for and also your feedback on what you think about the items that you receive. So without further ado, let's get into this box. I can't wait. I did cut it. I hope I cut it well enough. I don't think I did. Did I? Scissors. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I got it. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. They have changed their packaging. Isn't this a beautiful box? With a beautiful little bundle. It used to come with a polka dotted ribbon, but this is very pretty with the black and white tissue. And we have paperwork. And even with the service that I am doing, you can return. You can exchange and you can return. There's a $25 styling fee. If I returned this entire bundle, I still have to pay that styling fee. But if I keep one item, that $25 styling fee comes off anything that I purchase. And it looks... Here is my invoice, and the invoice looks like 4 items are included in this bundle. I'm going to look at this later. There's the return envelope and more paperwork about what to do in here. We'll look at that in a minute. Let's get into this bundle. The first thing we have, oh, this is so cute. This is like a jersey kind of cardigan looking. Now it is muted colors. This has got some muted golds and mustard color, and also the blue, the very kind of muted blue stripes. This is by Promessa, and this is a $38 value. This little, I'm showing you the back. Sorry, I want to see it. And this is what the front looks like. Is it a little bit drapey in the front, I think? We'll see how that plays out once I try it on. And then next we have Gilly. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, it's got that tie collar. I don't know how that's going to look on me, but I'm excited to try that in a mustard. And it's a high-low. It's a little bit longer in the back and slits on the side. This is a polyester blend. It has 2-button closure in the back. This is pretty. What size is it? This is a size large. Okay. And the reason I looked is because these armholes look large. But hopefully this will fit and I won't need to exchange. Next up we have Jody FL. And this is a size, look how big that is. That's big. That's a size large. And that looks super duper boxy, doesn't it? I don't know, it's an interesting print. We've got the florals that I've been trying to stay away from. Guys, this looks huge. You know what? I'm going to surprise myself and this is going to fit, but it looks gigantic. That's what I'm thinking right now, and I can't get over how big it is. Got some ruffle detail going there, which I'm not real crazy about. Hopefully this makes me look gorgeous. And the last thing we have is Liverpool. Oh, good. Oh, we have some dark. I like these. These look cropped. They are, where's the tag? These are the Hugger. See a mix and match tag. Maybe it's in here. Oh, okay, here's the mix and match tag. Sorry, guys. These are the Remy Skinny, just mixing, just the Hugger, Liverpool Hugger. I don't know, they look a little bit short. Maybe they won't be. Maybe they're gonna be the perfect length, but you know what? I am really liking these. The clean finish, it's got the, is it a 5-pocket? Yeah, and the working pockets in the front. Gosh, I'm all over the place. Sorry. It's just I'm kind of surprised by this, but happily surprised. I like Liverpool. There's always a lot of stretch in Liverpool. And what really makes me happy is the dark wash. I have been collecting dark wash denim lately, so I think this is absolutely perfect. I know these are, what's the price on these? $89? $89. So I'm very excited to get a pair of Liverpool included in this box. And I'm also super excited about this top. And I'm a little bit concerned because the tops seem large. What size is this one? This is a size medium, and that's normally what I wear, a medium or small in tops. My shoulders aren't very big, so it's my bottom that's so big. Anyway, I'm gonna try everything. I have tried on all the clothing, and I'm gonna talk about it and show it to you at the same time. I haven't asked yet. If you are new, would you please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell so you'll be notified every single time I publish a video. I make videos and publish them every other day, all about women's fashion. Lots and lots of style boxes here. So if you like that, please be certain to subscribe and join me once again. Okay, let's talk about the good stuff, the clothes. All right, guys, I like this ghillie blouse. This mustard colored. Now, do you remember I told you the lady at Nordstrom's told me to quit wearing this color? But I like it. I like it a lot. And I think this collar is very well done. Now, this blouse needs a good steaming, and I will not be steaming it because it doesn't fit. This is a size large, and I could tell when I unboxed it that these arms were going to be too big, and you can see my bra's not peeking through, like it is full on just showing through. It's too much for me. I need one size smaller. Now, in my last box, I had a size medium dress, which I exchanged for a size large. So I am wondering if she just didn't size up all of my blouses because both of the blouses that I received are too big. And I really like this one, so I want a good fit. And now I like this hemline. I just like everything about this. I think this is gonna look really cute with skinnies like I showed you, and also maybe with some leggings. I like this top. Tell me what you think. This top is $39. If I bought it all by itself, it would only be $39. I think it is well worth that price. Next up, somebody is eating the return mailer. Evidently, he wants me to keep everything. Okay, next up is this cardigan, the Promessa cardigan, and this is $38 if I bought it on my own. And now this fabric feels like t-shirt fabric. It's very lightweight, and super, super soft. I like this. Now, it's very muted, and I don't think I look very good in these muted or pastel colors, but I like this. The style note said to pair these two together, the cardigan and this mustard colored top, and I don't know. Cardigan feels more casual to me, like it should be worn over a t-shirt. It's just the vibe I'm getting from it, but I really like it. You're looking at it, so let me know what you think about this cardigan, but it's definitely staying with me. Next up is the Liverpool Remy Hugger Skinny Jeans, and the wash is called Blackout Blue. And I really like this super dark wash. If you have been watching my videos, you know in the past few weeks, this is what I have been purchasing, is these super dark denims, and guess what? These were plenty long. You can see them in the try-on. I don't know why. I'm 5'7", and I have difficulty with the inseams being long enough on denim, but I'll tell you what, the subscription services usually get it right for me. I just pulled them out of the box and I thought they looked short, but I like these. If you have not tried Liverpool, I suggest you try some. These feel like butter. They're very stretchy, super comfortable. I mean, it almost feels like you're wearing pajamas. These feel really nice. Now, these retail for $89, and I spent $105 on my box. So, I mean, I got my money's worth almost just in the jeans alone. So, I'm pretty happy with that. Last item I'm showing you is the Jodafil. You guys are looking at the title. I don't know this brand. I haven't seen it before. I don't know if I want to see it again, to be honest with you. I'm just, number one, it's too big. It's not my style. I get a Little House on the Prairie vibe from this, and yeah, it just doesn't do anything for me. I know why she sent it, because I'm always asking for unique pieces, and this falls into that category. If you like it, I get it, because all of us have different style preferences, but I really don't ever see myself wearing this unless maybe a costume. I don't know. Oh, my husband would love that. My husband's probably going to like this, because my husband, he's not Amish, but he was born in Amish country, and I think he's got Amish blood in him. I really do. He'll probably love this one, but the sleeves were too big. It does have the button there, and that's a working button, and you can roll these up, but I am actually going to send this back and have it sent back to me in a size medium. I have a girlfriend that might like this. I don't know. I'll gift it to her if she likes this one. She has a job where she might be able to get some use out of this. She's going to be so happy when I give her this. I'm sorry, you guys. Because I had another blouse that I did not like, and she loves it. So anyway, this box has been a whole lot of fun. So I have 5 days to decide if I want what I want to keep and what I want to send back. So I am going to send both blouses back for a size exchange. The jeans and the cardigan fit perfect, so I'm really happy about that. You guys saw the entire try-on. Please leave your comments below, okay? Let me know what you think about everything that I received in this box. So I told you the prices on everything in the box, but the grand total of this box comes to $204. If I bought everything retail, just one piece at a time, or out of the other box, I'd be paying $204 for all of these items. So I'm very, very pleased. This feels like a very good value for my money, and I'm very happy about that. So if you want to try mix and match, I have a referral link below in the description box, so you can use that if you like, and if not, just check them out on their website, because I have had a lot of fun with mix and match, and my stylist is Lauren. If you want to request Lauren, please do that. Tell her Kelly sent you. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Could you give this video a thumbs up? Come on, you guys. I dressed up like Laura Ingalls for you. Please, that's worth a thumbs up, right? I have another video coming out for you in just 2 days. It's going to be all about women's fashion, so make sure you look for that one. And until we meet again, blessings to all of you.